Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we're going to show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to an LG TV. Whether you want to share photos, videos, or even play games on the big screen, this method will come in handy. So let's dive right into it. Step 1. Check compatibility. First things first, ensure that your LG TV supports screen mirroring and that your iPhone is compatible with the feature. Most newer LG TVs and iPhones should support this, but it's always good to double check. To do this, go to Settings on your iPhone, then tap on General and look for AirPlay and Handoff. Here, you should see an option for AirPlay and Handoff, or something similar. Make sure it's toggled on. Step 2. Connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, ensure that both your iPhone and LG TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for the screen mirroring to work seamlessly. On your iPhone, go to Settings greater than Wi-Fi and connect to your Wi-Fi network if you haven't already. Similarly, on your LG TV, navigate to the Settings menu and find the Wi-Fi section. Connect to the same network as your iPhone. Step 3. Enable screen mirroring on LG TV. Now, let's enable screen mirroring on your LG TV. Using your LG TV remote, press the Input or Source button. Then, select Screen Share or Screen Mirroring, depending on your TV model. Once you've selected it, your LG TV will start looking for available devices to connect to. Step 4. Mirror iPhone to LG TV. Finally, let's mirror your iPhone screen to the LG TV. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the control center. Tap on the screen mirroring or AirPlay icon. Your iPhone will now search for available devices. Select your LG TV from the list. And just like that, your iPhone screen should now be mirrored on your LG TV. You can now enjoy all your favorite content on the big screen. Conclusion. And there you have it. A simple way to screen mirror your iPhone to an LG TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.